I'm Graham, founder of Urban Piping. So today's video is not one of the question and answers that we're normally used to doing here on YouTube. Today's going to be a message to realtors out there. I deal with a lot of clients every single day. We've dealt with 28,000 clients in the last decade alone. And one of my biggest complaints that I get is homeowners buying homes and coming to me years later and saying, well, like my homeowner or my realtor or my home inspector never informed me about Blvd. Well, that's something, that I've taken care of. We've done lots of marketing, lots of informationals. We've done publications in every single newspaper, and we've addressed that. We've started bringing to light. But the big thing that I'm finding is a lot of new day realtors are telling their clients that there is not an issue with Blvd. They've never seen issues. And it almost feels like they're pushing a sale and trying to get a commission out of these clients. And it really hurts because, we all have a job to do here. My job is to replace the Blvd and give information on Blvd. Your guys' job is to look after your clients and find them the best home for them. And by pushing them into a home that needs to get pipe replacement and not informing them, you're doing a disservice in the industry. So I'd really like to make this message clear that, let's all work together. There should be no reason why you can't sell your houses. But, we should be informing these clients that there are insurance issues. There are pipe failures right now. All across Canada, most insurance companies will not insure a new buyer for a home with Blvd. There's a few choice companies out there, then we'll go into another video about the insurance companies that do provide insurance for this. But a lot of them put you in a high risk category with a high deductible. And this should be something that you guys are telling your clients and the risks of it. This week alone, my company in Calgary has dealt with over 40 failures that have happened at nighttime where we had to send an emergency plumber out to go deal with the ceilings falling down in their kitchen, their basements, their bathrooms with flooded floors, restoration companies. Like, this is something that gets brought to light. As a realtor, by telling a customer, I've never seen this happen is, the same as me saying I've never sold a house, had a problem selling a house. Well, I've never sold a house before. You guys aren't plumbers. We are, and we take our job very seriously. And I'd like to make sure that we can have a working relationship moving forward with this. But one of the biggest caveats that we have to address here is that, awareness to this problem and not to just keep on pushing this under the rug in order to have your team sell more houses. Every house in Canada built between 85 and 97 has these. And yes, a lot of these homes are in amazing areas. We've got lots of schools, we've got trees, we've got parks, we've got lots of amenities in these areas with these Blvd houses. But you should be letting your buyers know that they are looking at a $15,000 to $20,000 replacement to get this remediated from their houses. And don't use this as, and think of this as a lost sale. You could use this as a lead for your mortgage broker as well, because these are not lost sales. You can take it's called a mortgage plus renovation, and every single mortgage broker will be able to add the cost of the Blvd replacement onto the cost of the home. And with historically low mortgage rates up until recently, this would have equated to $50 to $100 extra a month on your mortgage payment instead of paying $20,000 up front. So we need to all work together. I know the mortgage brokers are on our team with helping out with this and making it very easy to qualify for this. You just need an estimate from your plumbing company that's written and guaranteed, and a set date that this work's going to get done. And as long as you have that, you can also get the insurance from all the lower insurance providers instead of having to go with a high risk one. So I'm just kind of at wit's end that I see this all the time, that realtors just don't really put any care towards the polybutylene issue, and there's always pushing this under the rug. So if you guys want to know more information, I offer free seminars to every single real estate operation in Canada. I will fly out anywhere. I will meet you guys. I will have a sit down at a boardroom lunch with anybody in any team and give you more than enough information to arm you to help out your clients selling the house with the Blvd or buying the house with Blvd. Hope that helped. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, please like and subscribe down below. And if you have any more questions, hit me up in the comment section and we'll make more videos. Thanks, guys.